In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum a column in Notion. If you're working with budgets, expenses, project estimates, or any database that contains numbers, using the sum feature in Notion is a simple way to get a total automatically. The good news is that once it's set up, Notion will continue updating that total for you whenever the values in the column change. To begin, open the database that contains the number column you want to total. This could be a table for finances, task tracking, inventory, or any other database where you've entered numeric values. Before moving on, make sure the column you want to work with is actually formatted as a number-based property, since calculations depend on that. Next, open the column menu by clicking the name of the column. For example, if your column is called number, amount, cost, or anything similar, click directly on that column name. This opens a drop-down menu with settings and options related to that specific column. From that drop-down menu, click Calculate. This is where Notion gives you different ways to summarize the values in the column. If you don't immediately see the full list of calculation choices, go ahead and click More Options. That will expand the available calculations and let you choose the exact type of result you want. Now select Sum from the list of available calculations. This tells Notion that you want to add together all of the values in that column. As soon as you choose it, Notion will display the total for all the numbers currently entered in the column. You'll usually see this result appear at the bottom of the column, making it easy to reference while you work. Once the sum is showing, you can continue using your database as normal, add new numbers to the column, or edit the existing values if anything changes. This is especially helpful because you don't need to recalculate anything manually. Notion handles it for you in real time. Finally, verify that the total updates automatically. After changing or adding a few values, look back at the calculated result and confirm that the sum reflects the new numbers correctly. This quick check helps ensure everything is working as expected and that your column is being totaled accurately. That's all it takes to sum a column in Notion. It's a small feature, but it can save time and reduce mistakes when managing numbers in your database. Thanks for watching.